Breaking news just coming in. The IT department has issued summons for questioning to Ratan Kant Sharma, Sunil Kothari, Rajiv Arora and Dharmendra Rathod for questioning. These alleged close associates of Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot and his family members were raided by the Income Tax Department earlier in Rajasthan, in Delhi and in Mumbai. Sources have told India Today that the Income Tax Department has found huge amount of cash, jewellery and investment in cash, immovable properties from them during the searches at over 43 locations. Manish Pandey is breaking the story. He is now joining us live for the latest on this. Manish, if you could walk our viewers through what all has been found in the Income Tax Department raid. Also now, the timing of this raid is going to be questioned, isn't it?
Absolutely, Chaiti. You rightly pointed out that the timing of these searches by the Income Tax Department on the alleged close associates of Ashok Gehlot is under question. But what we have been given to understand is that there are three different entities on which the Income Tax Department searches in a single day. More than 200 income tax officials in Mumbai, Delhi and Rajasthan conducted searches. And what we have been given to understand is that huge amount of unaccounted cash, which runs into crores and crores of rupees, that has been seized by the Income Tax Department. There are more than 1 dozen lockers which have been seized by the Income Tax, and during opening of one of the lockers, they have found huge amount of jewelry. Of course, at this point of time, assessment of the entire season, the unaccounted cash, the jewelry and the other details of immovable properties, they are being assessed by the Income Tax Department. But next week, all these people will be questioned by the tax department in connection to the raids which were conducted.
All right, big breaking news coming in, cutting straight across to it. Breaking news is about Vasundhara Raje loyalist and BJP MLA Kailash Meghawal, who has come out in support of Ashok Gehlot's government. Meghawal said that it is wrong to topple an elected government by the means of horse trading. He said while the BJP is a party of morality and good character, but conspiracy to topple is wrong. Listen in.
राजनीतिक हालात में तो आज राजनीति का स्तर जितना गिर गया है, मेरे 60 साल के राजनीतिक जीवन में इतना गिरा हुआ मैंने नहीं देखा। भारतीय जनता पार्टी ए पार्टी विद डिफरेंस और नैतिक मूल्यों की पार्टी रही है, इसलिए भारतीय जनता पार्टी का हर स्टेप नैतिक मूल्यों की कसौटी पर कसा जाना चाहिए। उसी आधार पर राजस्थान की राजनीति में उन्हें अपनी हिस्सेदारी करनी चाहिए। उसने तो साफ मना ही कर दिया है कि मैं बीजेपी में नहीं जाऊंगा, और ऐसी स्थिति में उसकी गरज करना और उसके पीछे पड़ना, और मैं ये भी बुरा मानता हूँ जिस तरह की हॉर्स ट्रेडिंग और दबाव से राजनीति चल रही है और उसमें विधायकों का जो है बहुमत बनाने की कोशिश की जा रही है, वह नितांत निंदाजनक है।
Also joining us now, Dev, many other incidents in the past have also indicated how the Vasundhara Raje and the entire clan is pro-Ashok Gehlot. Somewhere an insecurity is being sensed on the part of Vasundhara Raje when it comes to Sachin Pilot as well. And the other point is that Meghawal has said that it is wrong to topple an elected government by means of horse trading, but that's exactly what they did in Karnataka and in Madhya Pradesh.
Well, clearly grave allegations by a BJP leader. In fact, he's not just any other BJP leader, Chaiti. He's a former minister of Rajasthan. He's a former speaker of Rajasthan Assembly. So a man who used to have considerable influence as far as the BJP was concerned. And he making these allegations that the BJP should not be trying to pull down the Ashok Gehlot government, that horse trading and the kind of atmosphere that has been prevailing in Rajasthan for the last 2 months is extremely unfortunate, and that has given a handle or a stick to the Ashok Gehlot government in Rajasthan to beat the BJP with, because here is a senior BJP leader mentioning that all of these things have been happening, and this, Gehlot has been, using this to claim that his allegations get credence, because even a BJP insider has been saying that the atmosphere has been vitiated, and these kind of activities of horse trading or trying to influence or buy MLAs from other parties should not happen. Chaiti?
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.